It's no secret that dynamic advertising is essential for any dealership that wishes to remain competitive. With Facebook's automotive offer and inventory ads, you can quickly create ads tailored to every device that will target the customers most likely to make a purchase. With Facebook's pixel technology, you can also quickly retarget customers who have already shown an interest on your website whenever they visit the social media platform.
There are some key benefits for using automotive inventory and offer ads on Facebook. According to a recent Facebook poll, 57% of new vehicle buyers in the United States believe that buying a car entirely online is a viable choice. Automotive offer ads can be viewed on a range of devices, allowing you to meet your customers wherever they are in the online research and purchasing process. When intent signals are used to power advertising, the most relevant offers and models may be sent to guide customers down the sales funnel. This means your ads are shown to those most likely to purchase a vehicle. Automotive offer ads let you present relevant offers with distinct creatives and messages without having to configure each ad separately, and they allow you to automate the promotion of different offers across designated marketing areas, DMAs. The promotion of financial offerings frequently necessitates the disclosure of sensitive legal information. Facebook has made it easier by adding a one-click disclaimer option that allows advertisers to insert essential legal information, such as price and terms and conditions, in every offer ad. Offline conversions and automotive offer ads work together to immediately track sales success and determine the exact ROI of your campaign. These data-driven solutions enable you to derive additional value from each purchasing action and comprehend how all of your marketing activities contribute to your overall sales objectives, making your automobile marketing campaigns more productive.
To create your ad, there are a few steps you need to follow. First, you must create your catalog of vehicle offers. This will have all the info about the vehicles you are promoting. You may build car offer sets in your catalog to regulate which sorts of offers appear in your adverts. You could, for example, make one set to promote all of your truck offerings and another to promote all of your van deals. Then you can create your pixel. The Metapixel is a web analytics tool that helps you analyze how visitors interact with your site. It also allows you to retarget visitors to your website with ads when they visit Facebook. Once those two steps have been completed, you can now link the catalog with your pixel. This is what allows you to retarget potential customers. Finally, you will create your ad template using Meta Ads Manager. This template will use images and data from your catalog to populate your ads and give them a creative yet streamlined look.
No matter how you create your vehicle advertisement, there is one thing you will always need: a call to action. Typically, a call to action refers to the usage of words or phrases that can be incorporated into your ads in order to convince an audience to take a particular action. The key to a strong call to action is to provide customers compelling reasons to buy right away rather than put off making a purchasing decision. You may use Advertisements Manager to add a call to action button to your ads to urge users to do a specific action that corresponds to your campaign's AI.
There is a great deal of work that goes into the creation of a Facebook marketing strategy. It takes time and money to create the perfect advertisements. One thing you can do to make this process more seamless is to turn to an experienced marketing agency like 7Social to do all the work for you. At 7Social, we have years of experience in the automotive industry. We know what works and what does not. You can be sure our Facebook ads hit the audience with exactly what they need to hear to make a sale.